Hi, I'm Luke the Cookin Camper. Here is Zena the Glamper Camper. Today our campsite is near Moab, Utah, and we made double bacon cheeseburgers. Now look at that sunset and we'll show you how to make some burgers. So today we're going to be making some double bacon cheeseburgers. You just need half a pound of ground beef, 8 slices of bacon, some pepper jack cheese, onion powder and garlic powder, and then some buns. First step is you're just going to put your spices into the meat, and then we are also going to cook our bacon, so I'll show you that when it's done. Now here's our finished bacon, and if you do not have the microwaveable variety, you can definitely make this at home and bring it, or you can pan fry it in your skillet. Now the next step is just putting the burgers into the pan. And there is no binder in these, so they might crack a little bit, but as long as they're together, once they go in the pan, you'll be fine. And then you do want a good sear, so you can put it on a medium high. And after a couple of minutes, you'll just flip them over and then let them cook for maybe 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. I did turn the heat down to low. You're going to take 1 slice of your pepper jack on each one. And then on top of that, you're going to put the 4 pieces of bacon. And then you'll put the other piece of pepper jack. And you'll just want to cover these with a lid until the cheese is melted. Look at how delicious that looks. Quick, easy, and full of bacon. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it and want to try this recipe, make sure to give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and have a great day. We hope you can enjoy nature and food as much as we do.
Are you ready?